This little thing has a problem. The Velcro doesn't stick very well. So here's exactly how I put magnets into it. First, I started with drawing a square with the correct measurements for the little magnets I've got. And then I made sure the rectangle is exactly 2 nozzle widths away from the edges of the print. Made a mirror image of that so I could put 2 magnets in it. And then extruded the rectangles out to the depth of the magnet so they can fit in there. And it's not quite thick enough, so I went a few steps backwards and added a little extrusion here just to make it a bit thicker on the top, and it was shaped kind of weird, so I used a spline and cut away at that to make it look a bit better. Right here I'm making sure that there's enough width to the plastic so it can actually print correctly. That's about 1 nozzle width. And then I export the STL file and slice it and then print it. Now I just have to stick the magnets inside it.